on, come on. There we go. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I think I haven't been back to playing the roleplay game, and I'm pretty sure this is it. It had a, what was it, overhaul, I think? Yeah, it just got hauled. And this is it now. Okay. GUI is looking a bit better. It's a lot interesting. It's a bit weird, actually. See, you'd like to join the global group. Already joined that, so no. Would you like to use your OC? Should I do that? Which save slot? Oh, there's cooler save slots now. Okay. Let's not press anything, because I don't really have anything, and let's see here. Oh, wow. Interesting. Weapons, attack, storage. Okay. So, this is the overhaul. Let's see, we can just speed this up a little. So, I think this is the remake of the game from how it originally was. The original was an I mean, could have been better. I never really liked the idea of using canon characters in a roleplay, because people either don't use them correctly, such as they don't really work their personality of the character the right way, or they just, just plain out suck. So, pretty much, yeah. This actually looks pretty good. The way they made everything, the music when you first started up, you guys heard, wasn't half bad. They changed a lot of things. The map looks a lot more squeezed in now. Like, before it did look a bit more open. Is there a way I could, like, fly around or something? Hold on, let me... Oh, God, I'm a Goku. Hold up. You know how I am whenever I see a Goku. I'm like, no. Warp to OC Maker. Hold up. Now hold on. Excuse me? An OC Maker. Hey! That's pretty good. Now, I don't want to put on any music because there might be some sort of copyrighted music, maybe. Hopefully not. But, sometimes my video get copyrighted on certain music, and so I have to change it. Let's see. So we pick our race, with the arms and all that. Interesting. Bio Android. Gotta go Bio Android. What the hell? Huh, so it has all the bodies and all that. What happens if I change it after I'm done doing that? Oh, that's interesting. So then you could just, like, craft a character like this. I like that. That's actually really nice. Hold up. Okay. So I always go Bio Android. I think I remember talking about my old OCs from Dragon Ball Successors. Let's see if we could probably recreate him. I wonder if there's any, like, face movement things, because in Successor, there was this thing that allowed you to, like, make a different face, like his, like, reactions and stuff. I don't know if that's here. For now, let's just go faceless. If we find that there's something like that, then yeah. Name. Not sure if I already showed you guys, but if you do, you already know. Let's see. Ah, are you kidding me? Roblox has always been like that. Man, alright, fine. that good? Are you Wow, okay. Yeah, there we go. BC. Fine. Fuck it. Jeez. 1.2, because he's supposed to be tall as fuck. Forms. Wait, hold on, let me see something. I clicked Bio Android, right? Yeah, it's still the same. Well, that is somewhat different. Let's see. God Essence. What? I have no idea what it's supposed to mean. Perfect form. Perfect golden form. Huh. Forgot he had this. Oh, it's form 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah, okay. So let's see. I guess for the first one. Let's see. Probably semi-perfect form. I have an idea. If I'm thinking of this correctly, then this should go out as I'm putting it in the correct manner. Okay, then these two are just accessories. Oh, accessories. Really now? Ooh, shock colors. Really? Nice. I don't see any... Like, my guy had like a Piccolo suit and these like ecto goggles on the top of his head that he would have there. And that was my guy's attire, but I guess there's no ecto goggles here. Nor do I see any... I see his turban, but... Is it pronounced turban? Turban? But I don't see his little shoulder things. Oh, it's called a cape. Yeah, that makes sense. That's a fucking cape. Right, yeah, okay, cool. For the next one over here... How do I take off an accessory? Is it just something that says... Oh, there it is. Okay, cool. So I don't have... I don't have the goggles, so I can't use those. And it's funny, I never even needed to use the goggles. They were just there for show. I never used them. Shades. Fuck yeah, he coming back. If he's got to come back, he about to come back in style. I don't have my multi-client thing, so I can't bring all the boys back, but... Let's just see. Save. Oh wait, I forgot about colors. Primary. Okay, so... Hold up, I'll be right back. I just need to find an old picture for reference. I think that's good. Yeah, pretty much, here you have him. This is Cell. He doesn't exactly look like the old one I had. The old one looked a lot better. It's a sword as well. What if they've... No, they don't. Well, this is as good as I can make them. Let's see, save. There we go. Return. Let's see how well this will go. Loading. Wait, is he gonna put me in a public server? And we're back. Alright. Got into a server this time. Let's see. 20C, yes. And boom. There we go. Oh, and there's all the forms, all the little things here. That's cool. Mm-hmm. How do I... Oh, there it is. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Golden perfect form. Hell yeah. Looking good. God essence. Okay. What would be higher, golden form or god essence? Because Frieza's golden form was supposed to be on par with Super Saiyan Blue. So if I go gold, isn't that supposed to be Super Saiyan Blue level? Huh. And then Dark Evolution. Oh, yes. True Cell Black. True Black Cell. Oh, that actually... Okay, hold up. Oh, I wish I could turn off the music but keep the sound. Hold up, wait, menu. Is there a way I can do that? Oh, please tell me there is. Page 2. Damn. Oh, I wish I could. What the hell did I do? Oh, animations? They have animations! Ooh, training, exhausted, idle. They're turning it more into successors. Oh, yes! I might actually be able to play on a fucking Dragon Ball roleplay game again. Hell yeah. Dude, finally after so long, now this is a good roleplay. The question, how the fuck do I fly? Oh. Okay. Don't know what I did. Okay. Don't know how to do that. Let's see. Aura toggle? So if I do go into a form... Aha! It turns it off. I gotta turn it back on. Oh, I did it again. Okay. But then I can just go back to base form, then I can pick another form. That's actually really cool. You know what? Let's just test something for a second. Let's just turn it up just a little. Hopefully this isn't copyrighted music. It's a little bit more down though. Let's see. Oh. Okay, sounds wonderful. Next. Looks about the same. Nah, that's okay. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, we got that down. They all sound about the same, but it's fucking amazing. Ah, do you think fucking Dark Evolution may sound different? For every more powerful form that there is, it should like get more and more aggressive, you know, with the the blast. Because this just looks aggressive. Like, it just looks like it gets more and more aggressive. It goes from a semi-perfect form to perfect form, super perfect form, golden, god, and then this. Oh, it's fucking amazing. Okay. Now, they do have... Where are they? Rules... Oh, there it is. But hold on, how do I get rid of this? GUI. I can toggle the GUI. That's nice. Rules. Okay. So they already do have a type of power scaling, but I'm not too sure if that'll do, because most people don't really work off of power scalings. Making a power scaling is very vital for roleplay games, because without a power scaling, it's kind of difficult to, you know how powerful a person can or cannot be. So doing this actually limits people to a point. Okay, so kids 7 to 10, grade ape, villainous, Super Saiyan, false Super Saiyan, power, dance? Huh. A few of these. Mystic. Was it Gohan 20 when he learned Mystic? Huh. Adults 20 to 29. They need to space this out a bit more because there's adults, adult prime, divine Saiyan energy. Wait. Oh no, I think that's just part of the one many things of adult prime. Wait, divine Saiyan energy? What the fuck is divine Saiyan energy? And they can learn Ultra Instinct. Are you fucking serious? Wait. Oh wait, isn't it? Oh, wait a minute. I don't think this is power scaling. I think this is just all the things that they can get. Ah, bio androids can learn Ultra Instinct. Look at that. Well, I was not expecting that. I could learn Ultra Instinct. If they got that shit from Devil Artemis, well, thank you, Devil Artemis. You really helped me out on that one. Because when it comes to my character, he totally could fucking learn Ultra Instinct with ease. As a matter of fact, it's funny because I kind of... A lot of people already do this, but like I came up with a bit of like my own fan-made story for this, with my guys and my characters. It's kind of dumb, and I don't really want to explain it right now. Maybe later. Maybe another time. When I'm, you know, maybe like a story time or something, you know? Just talking about my life and things that I've done, you know? But for now, holy shit, this is great. I love this. Okay, now, here's one of the many things. He had a sword. Where's the sword at? Holy shit, what the hell? Hell yeah. Okay. Holy shit. So, okay, I talked about this before. Now, okay, these all seem to be... Oh. Okay, that's nice. Oh. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, so here's the thing. It's not like the other weapons from Successors, but these could do. Yeah, this could definitely work. Huh. This is actually interesting. So now, because like, one of my characters, one of my demon OCs, Kayin, had a giant scythe. The sickle could work. Having an energy sickle could actually work. He was also a blind demon too, so you know. Let's see. So, wait a minute. One of my guys had an axe too, and there's no axe here. Like, he had a sword. Like, yeah, Black Cell had a sword. My Acro Saiyan had a katana. Kayin had a scythe. Black L or Black Licorice had an axe. And I tried to make a Berserker bio. It's supposed to be like a android Berserker. Like half android, half Berserker Saiyan thing with a giant hammer. Didn't work out. Scrapped the idea. Didn't use it. It was bad. So that's pretty cool. And there's key attacks I can choose from. Melee attacks. Misc. Altitude tool. Flight tool. There it is. Oh, I was wondering where this was. Oh, and now I can fly. Wow, they really shrunk the map. Oh, they didn't shrink the map. It's just it needs to it takes time to load. Oh. Wow, this map is fucking massive, actually. Oh, I take back everything I said about this game before. It's great. Well, I mean, back then it wasn't really that good, but now, holy shit. The Overhaul is amazing. These guys knew exactly what they were doing. They took a ton of inspiration from Successors. Probably, maybe. And if they did, good job. You've single-handedly created one of the most advanced roleplay games I've seen so far in this day of age. Oh, there's still more this way. Oh, that's beautiful. I love this so... Look at the detail! Oh my god. Holy shit, and there's like little things here. Like tiny little minor things. Oh my god, are you kidding me? No. Oh wait, don't go back. Holy shit, it's Dr. Giroux's lab! Oh! I claim Dr. Giroux's lab. Fuck everybody. If I'm role-playing and I see you here, I'm gonna kick your fucking ass. This is mine! Oh! Fuck yeah! Dude, this could literally be Cell's base of operation. Possibly trying to create other mini bio-androids to make like a little bio-android army. Maybe. Probably. I don't know. Ah, but this is so cool. Yo, so, this actually looks great. I love the way they sat there and made everything. It probably like squished the map a little bit closer and remade it. The way the GUI works, all of the different stuff, the animations, the weaponry, all that stuff is fucking amazing and I love it so much. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you like and subscribe, and I'll see you all later. I am probably gonna make a few more OCs based on my other characters, and if you see me around, just say hi, you know? I'll say hi back. Maybe.